What's going on, guys? Tyler here, helping you plan big and hustle hard. Today, not only do I have my extra tight, super fitted Rocky t-shirt on for my best friend, but we also have a whole bunch of different features that were just released and a completely brand new app called IGTV from Instagram that was just dropped, and it's all going to be in this video, so stay tuned. Guys, so pretty big news if you have not seen that today. My name is Tyler and we're going to talk all about the different changes that Instagram is implementing and more importantly this brand new app that they're dropping called IGTV. What is it? Why is it going to be awesome? And why is there some things that probably aren't going to do so well? Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So guys, in case you missed it, the @Instagram account released a live video. It was extremely well done. They had the camera up on a arm that was going through, panning through the audience. It was moving around. It came up right up against a vertical TV, which is actually pretty important. I'll show you in a minute here. But a vertical TV, and you watched an entire little skit, and then it panned back around the audience and followed up the co-founder of Instagram, Kevin, and he went on to announce this new app called IGTV. Pretty impressive as far as that Instagram Live goes. So right when Kevin came out, he started firing shots at YouTube. Honestly, it was just straight out there and it was not discreet. He talked about how less teens are watching TV and more are watching videos. And not only videos on the internet, but videos right directly on their phone. And he talked about how the orientation of your phone should not have to be awkwardly turned to view a video on YouTube, because that's so hard to do. He then announced a few little details of what they were launching, told everyone that it was going to be about IGTV, and then invited another person, a lady that had worked on IGTV specifically, and invited her out to really talk about the whole platform and what they're going to be doing. Right away, she started firing shots at YouTube. She said, when you turn on a TV, you want to sit down and watch something. You don't want to sit there and have to search something or type something in. She said it should just be right there in front of you. And again, another shot right at YouTube about the search engine. And then right off the bat, she's like, and then after you search for something, you have to go through a whole list of results and you have to find what you're going to watch and you have to pick it, and just more shots at YouTube. And it was just very direct that YouTube is going to be pushed away if Instagram can help it. After all the shots at YouTube had finally simmered, they decided to talk about all of the features that are going to be in IGTV. It's actually a very interesting concept, and I just barely downloaded the app, and I'm going to go ahead and walk through it with you so you can see it and kind of see the different features that are in it and whether this is going to stick or not. It's going to be different. It is for sure going to be different. When you think of Instagram's past moves, about their moves that they've made business-wise and feature-wise, you know, they've copied stories, they've copied sending short photos, or what we would call snaps. They copied them directly from Snapchat. And these are not, you know, it wasn't different in any way. They were basically blatant copies of these features. Now, when you think of IGTV, it's hard to think of this as an exact copy of YouTube as far as features go. Sure, the whole concept of video and longer video and having creators, that is a copy of YouTube, but it's hard to think of these features as a direct steal of a copy of YouTube. So guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. The app was extremely small and easy to download, and I will go ahead and open it up here and show you what you're presented with. Alright guys, so this is basically the app right here. It is super simple. You can see they're using the same color scheme, a little bit more orange and yellow in this one right here. But basically when you open the app, this is what you're presented with. You simply hit continue as your Instagram account or hit switch accounts to log in. And you're presented immediately with that fuzzy, that black and white, you know, thing that we're familiar with past old TVs. And then instantly it loads a video right there. And you can see right here, I have the option to scroll through other videos, but if you notice, the first thing I noticed is it's all vertical orientation and it is completely full screen. You can see I literally don't even have a play bar down here unless I tap on the screen and then I get that play bar. And you can see from here you can get these Here we have Steph Curry right there. We can see from here we have the heart feature down here, we have the comment, and we have the send right there. So over here you can hit the browse and that'll bring back up that little bar down here where we have all of our suggested videos right down here. Now up here just above it we have a For You tab, which is currently selected. We have a Following tab, which you can see, and if you're a creator, check this out right here. You can see there are no other videos right there. So let's go ahead and go over to the Popular tab. You can see what's trending right here. They have a lot of celebrities, a lot of creators working on this currently, and they've already put out some videos, so there's actually content here and it's not just an empty social network. We can also go on to Continue Watching, and you can see videos that you've watched in the past. This was breakdancers in Times Square, whatever it opened to initially when I launched the app. My first thoughts are, this is honestly a blank canvas. There is nothing out there except a few super popular, famous people, popular creators that have launched a few small videos. There is nothing out there. And if you were to go on Facebook tomorrow and all of a sudden there was no content and there was still a whole bunch of users but no content, you could instantly grow and you could put out content and your content would go viral because there's nothing out there. If you're on YouTube and you're the first person to upload a video, all of a sudden every video on YouTube got deleted and you go upload a video and you're the only video on there, guess what people are watching? Guess what's on the suggested page? Guess what all the suggested videos are pointing to, if they even had suggested videos? Where is it all going? It's all going towards you and towards your content. Guys, look at this. This is crazy. Look at following. I'm following like 2,000 people and there is nothing right there. Absolutely nothing. No videos. This is a chance, guys. We need to get on this. If you are a creator, you need to get on this. Start making these vertical videos. Even if you're not going to stick on the platform, even if it's not going to replace YouTube, start making these videos and siphon some of that traffic. Because there's a ton of people that are going to download this right now. Something else I want to mention is the way that they launched this. They launched it through an Instagram Live, which I didn't even know it existed. I went and updated my app, got the brand new 50.0 version, and there was nothing about it. I tried uploading a long video, it didn't work. So I was like, well, what happened? Did it not come out? Did it not release? They launched it through an Instagram Live. Not a lot of people saw this. So this launch is going to trickle out there and slowly grow over time. So that's actually good for us video creators. We can go and get that initial wave of traffic, and then when the rest of the world, which they just announced they have 1 billion users, by the way, when the rest of those billion people come over and start viewing things on IGTV, your content will already be out there, it'll already be suggested, and people will have their eyes on your content. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's just a vertical video, and there's nothing really in the way, no controls or anything in the way to block any part of that vertical orientation. Of course, unless you have an iPhone 10, then you have that little notch up at the top. But that about wraps it up, guys. I am going to jump on this platform right now and I am going to make some nice, pristine, vertical-oriented videos so I can be one of the first to have videos out there and get some nice traffic coming in from this huge wave of traffic that is going to be downloading this app in the next probably days, weeks, and months. Now, if you guys haven't had the chance, go ahead, check me out on Instagram. Down in the description below, I'll list my handle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to bring you the newest, latest, greatest content, helping you get ahead in business, and also to be the most passionate, consistent entrepreneur that's posting the best content out there and getting the most eyes on their content. Guys, I'm super excited, and just to end this all out, I want to show you what you may be seeing in the future, so just be prepared. Hey guys, I really just don't want you to have to go to the expense of turning your phone to watch my videos, so I'm going to be here on IGTV, and I'm going to be filming sideways like this. Holding my camera sideways actually makes it easier, so I just want to do this for you guys because I know it's really hard when you have to rotate your screens. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember, it's Tyler helping you plan big and hustle hard. And if you like this, go ahead and drop a like down Never mind.